Hi, I'm Abby,
I'm Tony.
and we're part of the Parent IoT security team.
The Parent IoT team, we're focusing on devices for securing home networks for families. Over the time here, we've focused on 3 devices. We focused on the Norton Core, the Dojo by BullGuard, and the Netgear Nighthawk R7000P.
For my parental controls, you can choose what device you want on what profile. So say I was on a device and wanted to connect another device for an 8-year-old kid, I could go on to the app and set up the device, any age filter that I wanted. So the device automatically blocked different categories, and there were 47 different categories, and you could choose from having more blocked based on the filter and based on what the user was actually doing on the device.
I found one of the more interesting parts of the project was figuring out how different companies went about the same issue. So how Norton went about the security versus how BullGuard went about security, doing similar things but in complete different manners, and then how parental controls were handled on the Norton Core versus the Netgear Nighthawk router that we were working on, and just seeing how the implementations were different. In the future, I can see this project headed towards, well, I think it would be really good to focus on integrating these devices with all of their features and use. In particular, the Netgear router has the ability to attach a hard drive for external, for like a network storage thing. So I think that'd be interesting to look at, just because it can be useful for house, for backups, or just storing family pictures and doing things like that.
Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn more about our project, you can look on the LCDI blog posts as well as the Twitter that we have and our Instagram.